Namaskar. So let us discuss one more problem which is on assignment. So in last video we discussed this problem of 4x4 matrix. So in this recording video we'll see one more problem. Let us see this problem. Solve the following assignment. So 5x5 matrix is there. 5x5 matrix. So consider this is for minimization. Cost minimization problem. You assign the number of elements or column rows are there 5 and columns are also 5. Okay. So start the process. What is the first step? Make it squaring. So as it is already square, so you need not to reduce it, make it square. Okay. Now the step 1 becomes reduce the matrix. So subtract the minimum element of each row from all the elements of the row. Subtract the minimum element of each row from all the elements in same row. So in first row 8 is the minimum. So subtract 8 from all other elements in that same row. 11 minus 8, 17 minus 8, 8 minus 8, 16 minus 8 and 20 minus 8. Similarly in second row 6 is minimum, 9 minus 6, 7 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6 and 15 minus 6. Similarly for each row, each row find out the minimum element. Third row, what is the minimum element? 12 is the minimum element. In third row 12 is the minimum element. In fourth row 21, 24, 17, 28, 26. 17 is the minimum. And in last row 10 is the minimum. Okay. Now you subtract the minimum element of that corresponding row from all other elements in that same row. Okay. It is a row minima. Now you check whether all rows are consisting 0 or not. Yes, definitely you will get as you followed row minima method. But now you check whether all columns are consist 0 or not. If you see matrix containing 0 in every row, you will get this. The first one. But every column is not 0. Every column is not 0. The first column there is no 0. And in last column there is no 0. Now you apply column minima method. In first column 1 is a minimum value, so you subtract it from other elements. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 1. You write the values. Similarly in last column minimum value is 3. So 12 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 3, 6 and 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. All other columns have zeros there. Okay. Now you assign zeros. So let us check a first row. In first row there is a third column, that is a 1x 1 3. There is a 0. You assign this. You make assignment. You make a assignment. Then in same column, if other 0 is there, you mark cross 1. Okay. Here as you assign, you cross here. Okay. Similarly, second row, you find here assignment. In third row, you assign this 0. And one more 0 is there, you just cross it. You make it cross. In fourth, already it is crossed. In fifth, make a 0 and another 0 is, second 0 is you assign it, and one more 0 in same row you make it as a cross. Okay. So total 4 assignments. Actual your matrix is 5 by 5. Here you can say it is not optimum as assignment is only 4. You require 5 assignments. Okay. Anyhow, you mark the rows which has assignment, which has no assignment, okay. So there is no assignment. The fourth row you mark first. You see that row, is any 0 is there? Yes, the third column is 0. Okay, so you start marking here. You mark this row first, as there is no any assignment. Okay, you first mark this. Then in that row, is any 0? Yes, the third. Now you mark that column. Now you check that column where any assignment. Yes, the first row is assignment. So mark this also. So in this way, you can mark first row, fourth row, and third column. You mark it. Okay. Now draw lines through unmarked rows. Second row, third row, and last row. You draw lines unmarked rows. Also, you draw line, mark column, third column. Check, count how many rows are there. Second, third, and fourth row and third column. 4 lines are there. How many assignments are required? 5 assignments are required. 5 assignments are required, but number of lines are less than 5, that is 4. That's why it is not optimum. Iteration is required. Further calculation is required. Now, what to do? Let us see. Unmarked or the elements where line is not passing. Line is not passing. How many elements are there where line is not passing? So first row, this x11, x12, x14, x15. Okay, here line is not passing. Similarly, you can see here the fourth row, here 3, 7, 11 and 6. These are the elements where line is not passing. Total 8 elements are there where line is not passing. Now you choose the smallest element among these 8. Smallest element 2, 9, 8, 9, 3, 7, 11, 6. The smallest element is 2. You choose this 2. Subtract this 2 from all other elements. So 2 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 11 minus 2 and 6 minus 2. Okay, you subtract and write down the values in the similar table. Now you add the same number at the intersection. How many intersections are there? Total there are 4 lines. So first column line is there, third column line is there, second row is there. Okay, here 6 plus 2. Here you can add 6 plus 2, then 3 plus 2, and then 2 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, and 2 plus 2, 4. You write down in the column. Okay, and other remaining values remains same. Then you will get the next table. Now you will get this table. Okay. Now the minimum element that does not have line through is 2. The subtract it from all other elements which do not have the lines through them. Add it to all elements that lies at the intersection of 2 lines and leave the remaining elements of the matrix unchanged. So we get table. So this table, which is a second feasible solution. But is it optimal solution? How to check? Is it optimal solution? We don't know. You check whether basically each row consists of 0. Yes. Each column consists of 0. Okay. Now let us check. Let us start assignment. You mark this. Assign the first row, first column, and mark this another 0 cross. Then for second row, you mark this. Okay. And the third, marking is not possible. Fourth, mark. And fifth, mark. And this is crossed. Okay. Here only 4 assignments. but 5 assignments are required. That's why it is not optimal. Now, as it is not optimal, you mark the rows. Choose the rows where there is no assignment initially. The first row where there is no assignment. In that row, find out the zeros. So first column and third column there are zeros. First column you mark, third column you mark. Okay. In that column, find out in first column where there is assignment. Third row there is assignment. So mark third row. Then third column which is marked, find out the assignment. There is a fourth row which has marked. So in this way, the first, second, third, fourth row, first, third and fourth column are marked. So as the number of assignments in the table 4, which is less than 5, the order of the matrix optimal assignment is not possible. Here it is not possible. So you draw the lines where there is no marking in the row. You draw the line where there is marking in the column. So the 3 columns are marked, so 3 lines are there. And one row which is unmarked, you draw one line there. So minimum number of lines here are 4 and required assignments are 5. That's why it is not optimal solution. So further iteration is required. Now you find out the elements which is outside these lines. The elements which are outside these lines. So these are the elements which are outside these lines. Okay, there is no any lines. Okay, 7, 1, 4, 5 or 7, 6, 1, 4. These are 8 elements where there is no line. Find out the smallest element among these. So 1 is the smallest element. So you subtract it from all other elements. 7 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and 4 minus 1. You write down in the next table. Also you add this 1 to the intersection of these lines. So here there is an intersection. Here there is an intersection. So for 4 lines there are 3 intersections. So you add this 1 value to that intersection value is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 and write down. And remaining values remains same. Other cell values are remaining same. Okay. Once you write down that table, now you start assignments again. Okay. And in this way you can, the minimum element that does not have a line through it is 1 and adding it to the elements that lie at the intersection of 2 lines or subtracting it from the elements that do not have line through them and keeping the remaining elements of the matrix is unchanged. So we get this table. So in that table, now you start the assignment. So first 0, all the other are crossed. Second row, second column 0, other zeros are crossed. So third row, the first 0 is crossed as first row element is already assigned. It is assigned. And this fourth, this is assigned. And fifth is crossed. In this way you can make assignments. So total assignments you got here 5. 5 rows are there, 5 columns are there and 5 assignments are there. As number of assignments is 5, which is also the order of the matrix. So this table gives the optimal solution. X11, X22, X34, X43, X55. These are the elements which comes under this optimal solution. As number of assignment 5, is also 5. So associated minimum cost is, you take it from first table, that is 11 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus 13 plus 60. 13 equal to 60. So Z minimum is 60. So X11, X22, 3 4, x 4 3, and x 5 5. Okay, you see this, you can see here x 1 1 is 11, x 2 2 is 7, x 3 4 is 12, x 4 3 is 17, and x 5 5 is 13. You add all these things, it gives you the optimum solution, that is the answer is 60. Okay, so this is about the problem, second problem. In next lecture we will see the non-square matrix. Okay, so here we'll solve some few problems of square matrix, and we use Hungarian method to solve this problem. The similar problems we'll see in next lecture with non-square matrix. Okay, thank you.